In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all contacts in Mailchimp's audience. If you've ever needed to apply an action to a large group of subscribers, like adding a tag, moving them to a segment, or cleaning up inactive profiles, the very first thing you need is a reliable way to select them all. That's exactly what we'll cover step by step in a clear and safe way so you don't accidentally miss anyone. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and head to the Audience section. From there, open Contacts. This is the main list view where you can see your subscribers laid out in a table. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct audience if your account holds more than one. It's always a good idea to glance at the total contact count shown on the page, so you have a sense of scale before making bulk selections. At the top left corner of the Contacts table, you'll see a small checkbox in the header row, just above the first contact. Click that checkbox. When you do, Mailchimp will select all contacts that are currently visible on the page. Typically, that's a single page of results, often 25, 50, or 100 contacts, depending on your view settings. You'll notice a selection bar or message appear, confirming how many contacts are selected. This immediate confirmation is helpful to avoid surprises. If you're working with a large audience, selecting only the visible page may not be enough. Look for a prompt that appears after you tick the checkbox, usually near the top of the list. It will say something like, "Select all total number contacts." Click that link if you want to select everyone in the audience, not just the contacts on the current page. Once you click it, the selection message should update to reflect that all contacts across all pages are now selected. Take a second to verify that the total number matches what you expected. If you don't see the option to select all contacts, it might be because your audience fits on a single page, you're viewing a filtered subset, or your current permissions limit bulk actions. In those cases, the top checkbox still does its job for the visible set, and you can proceed with confidence. That's all there is to it. Go to Audience and open Contacts, use the top checkbox to select the page, and, when available, use the Select All Total Number Contacts link to include your entire audience. With your selection in place, you're ready to apply whatever bulk action you planned, knowing you've captured exactly the contacts you intended.